Hi everyone and welcome back to Explain. Today we had this simple but tricky math question. Try to solve it in 10 seconds. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. Now we are going to solve this math. 5 times 2 from 3 divided by 4 times 2. As we can see, there are three operations. First one is this multiplication, second is division, and again multiplication. But as we can see, there is an exponent part which is root of t. And this can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 times 2, this will be answer 4 times 2. And 4 times 2, this will be result in 8, which can be written on the place of this 2 for u. Okay. So, can simply rewrite 5 times 8 divided by 4 times 2. Now, many are solving like 5 times 8 divided by 4 times 2, this will be 8. And 5 times 8 divided by 8, this will be result in 1. And 5 times 1 will be answer 5. So this is the wrong way to do this math operations. So it's better to follow order operations than less. So you will never get the wrong answer. So we will rewrite our here our math expression 5 times 8 divided by 4 times 2. So this is it. And here, as we know, that multiplication and division have the same priority. And in that case, we have to solve left to right. Way. And here, all operations, all the three operations are multiplication and divisions. So we will do left to right for the whole expressions. And for the first expression, we have the leftmost operation, which is 5 times 8. And when we operate, we will get answer 40. So we can write 40 divided by 4 times 2. Now again, this division operation, 40 divided by 4, this will be 10. So we will write 10 times 2. And 10 times 2, this will give result at 20. So the right answer is 20. And if you love math, then subscribe us for more videos. Thanks for watching.